Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, magta-try tayo gumawa ng dupe nails, pero before that, if you're interested in the design on my left hand, check out one of my recent videos kung saan gumamit ako ng new polygel kit from Shopee. So since wala akong parang jelly tips na intended para sa dupe nails, gagamit ako ng dual forms, and yung gagamitin nating gel is base coat, and we'll see if effective ba siya. May nagsuggest din kasi na gumawa ako ng dupe nails, and nakakapanood na din ako ng nail videos about that, kaya gusto ko rin siya i-try. So first, isa-size natin yung dual form sa ating nails. Ito yung dual forms na kasama sa Nona polygel kit na ginamit ko in my recent video. Sa pagsa-size ng dual form, kailangan sakop niya yung buong nails since ito yung magsisilbing extension ng nails natin. May markings pa yung surface ng forms, pero pwede naman natin i-file yan mamaya, pati na rin yung nasa gilid. Kaya for now, we'll focus on picking the right size. After sizing the forms, mag-prep muna tayo ng ating nails, starting off with a cuticle pusher. And then a nail drill. And then a nail file para ma-roughen up yung surface ng ating natural nails. And mag-a-apply din tayo ng nail dehydrator and primer. This is an important step to make your nails last longer. Alisin na din natin yung nasa gilid ng dual forms para di na tayo mahirapan mamaya pag nakadikit na siya sa ating nails. And i-adjust din natin siya using a nail file if ever di sakto yung curve sa ating cuticle area. After that, gagamit tayo ng nail drill para i-file yung inside ng dual form. This will ensure na mag-a-adhere ng maayos yung form sa ating nails. Gagamit ako ng nail drill para mas madali kong ma-file yung loob ng forms. Mahirap kasi if gagamit ako ng hand file. Also, di mo na kailangan i-file yung buong form. You can only file the part kung saan ilalagay yung natural nails. And then maglalagay tayo ng base coat sa ating thumb first para matry natin. Cure that for 60 seconds. And maglalagay din tayo ng base coat sa dual form. Not too much, pero enough para makover yung buong part na ididikit sa ating nails. And siguro a bit more para mas makapal yung gel na magdidikit sa forms and sa ating nails. Maglalagay rin ako ng layer of base coat sa ating nails, pero this time di muna natin siya i-cure kasi ipa-place muna natin yung forms sa ating nails. Hold that firmly and put it under the lamp para ma-cure for 60 seconds. And then let's do that for the rest of the nails. So here are my nails after malagyan lahat ng extensions. Ang bilis lang niya gawin. I think it only took me 15 minutes para gawin lahat yan compared pag gagawa ako ng polygel nail extensions na aabot ng I think 2 hours. So after that, i-shape naman natin yung nails pati aalisin din natin yung mga nakasulat sa forms using a hand file and a nail drill. After filing, maglalagay ako ng layer of base coat on all of the nails kasi mag-a-apply tayo ng gel polish sa design. And tinry ko kasi mag-apply ng yellow polish without the base coat. And hindi maganda yung kinalabasan niya after ma-cure, so kinailangan ko siyang tanggalin using a nail drill. Kaya naisip ko rin if mas okay ba lagyan muna ng base coat. So tinry ko ulit yung yellow polish if mas okay na ba siya if may base coat. And ninipisan ko rin yung layer baka kasi nasa gel polish yung problema. Pero we'll see if mas okay ba siya later. For the other nails, gamit ako ng different gel polish colors kasi may gusto rin akong itry na polish na nabili ko sa Shopee. It was also suggested na mag-try ako ng cat eye and ang dami ko napapanood na nag-try nito using black base color, so I wanna try using different base colors using cat eye polish. Sa ring finger ko, I left it transparent para makita ko kung ano yung magiging itsura ng cat eye pag walang base color. And yung sa thumb, I don't know kung ano nangyari. I think nasa gel polish na siya. Yung yellow one kasi I think di siya na-fully cure kahit ilagay ko siya sa lamp ng matagal. So, kinailangan ko ulit siyang tanggalin and just put a layer of black gel polish. Ito yung binili kong cat eye set. May kasama na siyang magnet and 1 8ml gel polish. Yung pinili kong color is parang blue na may hint ng green and nabili ko siya for only 183 pesos. Lalagay ko yung link sa description box below, so let's start applying it sa ating nails. So first time ako gagamit nito, nakaka-curious din kasi gumamit ng magnet with gel polish. So di ko pa alam kung anong design yung magagawa mo if you put the magnet in a certain position. So gagayahin ko na lang yung mga napapanood ko kung paano nila pinaposisyon yung magnet para maganda yung kalabasan ng design ng ating cat eye. So these are my nails after applying the cat eye gel polish. So now mag-a-apply naman tayo ng top coat para mag-add ng shine and ma-seal yung coat ng cat eye polish. And let's cure that for 60 seconds. And lastly, don't forget to apply cuticle oil. So this is what it looks like. I love the design and I also love using the magnets to adjust the glitters. I think pinakamaganda yung black base color. I think kaya yun din yung nakikita kong videos using cat eye. Most of them use black base color para mag-pop yung glitters. Pero I still love the other colors like sa red. Ang ganda ng placement ng glitters na nagawa ko dun. So, exciting gamitin tong cat eye na to. I would recommend this for people na naghahanap ng bagong ways to design your nails. And sa dupe method naman, it's very beginner friendly and ang bilis niya gawin. I think this set only took me 1 to 2 hours all in all. Pero yung iba lang kasi dito, medyo manipis yung dual form na gamit ko. I think sa jelly tips na intended for dupe nails ay mas makapal. Kaya I think if you would be interested in doing dupe nails, try using those para ma-ensure yung life ng nail extensions mo. Pero you can also try this one if you can't afford nun tulad ko, kasi I still like how it turned out in the end. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.